So I want to show you some browser tricks, some Google tricks to help you be successful with Edgenuity. First, I'm going to talk about zooming in on your screen, and then vocabulary. What do you do when there's a word you don't know? And I'm going to demonstrate voice typing. So let's pretend you're in Edgenuity and you get to a question like this. And well, first of all, talking about zooming, I want you to go to the little snowman or the stoplight, whatever you want to call those three dots. And you can click on the plus right here to make the question bigger. You can also do that if you want to remember a keyboard shortcut. I'm holding down Control and then plus and minus, and you saw the percentage right here. So let's say you, let's zoom in just a little bit there. Let's say you're reading the question and you get to this word and you're not quite sure what that word means. Here is what you have permission to do anytime during Edgenuity, whether it's even a quiz or a test. You're going to double click on the word, hold down Alt, it's called right clicking, and right here it says search Google for, and then you will wind up with another tab that looks just like this. And see the box right here says dictionary, and it has the word you just looked up, and you might like the definition, but that might have big words too. Sometimes the synonyms are useful, and in this case, use is the synonym I would direct you to. But sometimes, depending on the word, you might also have something over in this area, sometimes from Wikipedia, that might also give you some good context. Okay, so that is how you look up the word and zooming in. So let's pretend you want to write here. And you open up a new tab by clicking here. And this 3x3 grid will allow you to go right to Google Docs. And you're going to click on blank when it shows up. Right here. And then this one's optional, but if you wish you could see the question and your answer at the same time, you may want to use the tab scissors Chrome extension, and then this is what you get. So we'll go back to the Google Doc and we'll go to Tools, Voice Typing. And if you want to remember this right here, Control-Shift-S, you can do that without the menu, which is, I'm going to use this one though. And we click to speak. It will now record what I want to say, period. New line. The type of motivation that I am most likely to respond to is intrinsic motivation, period. And then, of course, I would continue my answer, but then I'm going to click 1, 2, 3, 3 times. I'm going to do Control C to copy. That was the same as going right here. And then I go over to this tab and I paste. And there it is. And you can submit that. And then you go to your Google Doc. You don't need it anymore. So you go to File, Move to Trash to keep everything tidy. This just means it needs to know what to do with this tab. And what you're going to do is close it. And that is it.